Hi guys, it's Jarv here with the Cookie Review. I'm doing an unboxing today, and the review will be coming shortly. Probably a couple weeks, maybe. We'll see how this thing works in the next few days. My wife's birthday was yesterday, and she ordered herself an ice maker. I told her I didn't know what to get her. Not a clue. She said, I knows. I'm going to order myself an ice maker, and I'm going to order a air fryer. That's what it was. The ice maker come today, the air fryer probably come tomorrow, because that's when it's supposed to be here. But I'm going to do an unboxing now and show you guys what it is. It's a frigidaire. You see it right here. Frigidaire ice maker. Yep. Ice maker. Automated self-cleaning. Likes that function, boys. Digital LED controls. 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. But that's if you're standing there, you're going to be going back to it every so often and taking the ice out, and you got to have it hooked up to water to do that. Because this thing only holds so much. It ain't not going to hold 26 pounds of ice. Not a chance. Bullet-shaped ice. So it doesn't have to hold all the way through it. I wish it did, because I like the hole all the way through, because it's perfect for when you're using the bong. You can have it right up. But bullet style is just as good. I like that too. Let's see. Yeah, you're not seeing that very well. Frigidaire, yeah, okay. Oh, it's this way. Easy to clean and remove, water scale, with a built-in self-cleaning function. Produces up to 26 pounds of bullet-shaped ice in 24 hours. There you go. 2.3 quart capacity water reservoir for maximum ice production. So you can only get that. Digital LED control panel indicates when the bin is full and when water is empty. Okay. I've already cut the top of it, but I don't know what's in it because I haven't really opened it up to see. So I'm going to lay her down and I'm going to pull the parts out because for you to see them, okay? See, you can see, it's all in. Oh yeah, that bloody old styrofoam. Throw the box set away. Looks pretty nice, Spice. Plug-in was taped. Oh, it's just a regular plug. I was hoping it was one of them new style ones that you can unplug it from the back, but it don't. It's wired in. Troubleshooting tips right on the top. That's a good one to have. First thing on there, add water. The wife's camping because it was her birthday yesterday. She's out with the kids camping. And I'm home because I still work. So, because you two don't pay me, so I gotta keep working. All this stuff we buys ourselves. Ooh, protective film, peel off after purchase. The whole thing's covered in. My goodness, look something. I love peeling stuff up with. Oh yes! Might give a bubble wrap. Oh yeah. As usual, the screws are screwed through the film, so it's tearing apart instead of coming off right. Got the hair in it all too, boy. Danger, risk of fire or explosion. Flammable refrigerant used. Do not use mechanical devices to defrost ice maker. Do not puncture a refrigerant tube. I'm going to leave that on there. That safety right there is going to stay on there so everybody can read it, even the kids. Not that they'll be using it, but they still read it. Let's open her up. It's got the tray stuck in there with this weird tape. And the scooper. Oh, nice little scooper. It certainly does look like you might need to wash it before you use it. I recommend always washing stuff before you use it if you're putting anything in your mouth. You don't know who touched it last, or what touched it last, or who touched what before they touched it last. That's right. The little filter in there, there's no sponge or nothing in it. It just blocks particles, I guess. I think that's it. There's nothing else I need to take off. Show you what it's like on the inside, hey fellers? It's got a maximum line right there. And there's the bullet things, and this must lift and flip the ice back. Not too shabby. Nice little fan. You can see all the blue stuff stuck to the screws, because you know they gotta put screws in after. They can't move that stuff and put screws in. Not bad, not bad. That's it, boys. Isn't that something? I'm going to try her out. Bye-bye for now, guys. I hope you liked this video. Tune in for the review. Bye-bye, guys.